Your liver is very resilient and it's actually capable of repairing itself by regenerating new cells. A diet that includes generous servings of the following foods and drinks will help your liver repair itself as quickly and efficiently as possible. Coffee and tea both provide a surprising amount of potential for liver repair by increasing antioxidant levels in the liver while simultaneously decreasing inflammation. Both green tea and black tea improve enzyme and fat levels in the liver. Various fruits. Blueberries, cranberries, grapes, grapefruit, and prickly pear are the standouts in this group. They're high in antioxidants that protect the liver by reducing inflammation and activating its protective mechanisms. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts may increase the liver's natural detoxification enzymes. They also help protect the liver from damage. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna provide omega-3 fatty acids, which are especially important for liver health. Research has shown omega-3s are also good for your heart. Nuts. Nuts are high in the types of fats and nutrients, including the powerful antioxidant vitamin E, that help rebuild the damaged liver. People who eat few nuts appear to have a higher risk of developing liver disease, according to recent studies. Olive oil. Research also seems to show that olive oil decreases the levels of fat in the liver, increases blood flow, and improves liver enzyme levels. In addition to helping repair the liver, the foods mentioned in this video have been shown to lower the risk of developing liver disease and cancer. Incorporating them into your diet is a natural and healthy way to keep your liver functioning at its best.